Hello everyone! We have just completed the Berkeley Method of Entrepreneurship Bootcamp here at UC Berkeley in California. And as a faculty member of Cherwell College Oxford, it's been an absolute pleasure to observe and witness our students grow in confidence, creativity, and teamwork, developing skills that will serve them for years to come. These opportunities are truly transformative for young people. They provide access to world-class teaching, global networks, and the chance to test ideas in a supportive yet stimulating environment. This is why the work of Oxbridge Foundation is so vital. Through scholarships and funding support, we are able to extend these opportunities to deserving students, including those from disadvantaged backgrounds and those affected by conflict. We warmly invite partners, donors, and supporters to join us in this mission. By contributing to Oxbridge Foundation, you are directly investing in the future of young people, giving them the tools, experiences, and confidence to become the leaders and innovators of tomorrow. On behalf of Cherwell College Oxford and the Oxbridge Foundation, thank you for helping us make this possible.
Hello, I've just finished a 5-day bootcamp for entrepreneurship at UC Berkeley. It's been genuinely an amazing journey. Throughout the week I learned so many things, how to get along with people, form a team, pitch with confidence as well. The main thing that stood out for me personally was getting outside of my comfort zone, discovering things that skills that I didn't know I had, and also sharpening the weaker skills that I did have. Not only that, it taught me how to take on opportunities and also create opportunities for myself. Genuinely very grateful for Cherwell College Oxford for giving me this chance and to experience such a boot camp as well.
Hi, I've just finished the 5-day bootcamp at UC Berkeley, and honestly what I loved the most wasn't so much pitching, but it was being a part of a team. I got to watch and develop ideas alongside with my team, my thoughts, and support my teammates along the way. It was so inspiring to see so much creativity in one room and realize that entrepreneurship isn't just about standing on stage, feeling nervous, pitching. It's more so collaboration, problem solving, and learning from each other. I'm so thankful to Cherwell Oxford College for this opportunity. It has been such a confidence boost and also an experience I will never forget.